Yeah, I took everything off. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Get down! Fuck, he's throwing nades. We are not in a good position.
I forgot to start my stream casual.
Fuck,
I
I
need
see
to be,
someone.
I
Hopefully he
need to
doesn't
be
see me.
farming those orans.
There's a crate right there.
Oh shit. Yeah.
What should I call my currency?
Sauce bucks.
No, I'm gonna call them grabs.
Grabs. Oh. On the beach.
How? Hurry, he's about to kill me. Yes! Hurry, save me, save me! I'm done. He's hiding right behind the rock. I'll let you know when he's peeking.
He's peeking.
He's not peeking, don't listen. He's peeking now.
I have one more. Or two more.
Oh wait, I was looking at you.
Oh. Oh! You rushed that.
There's another one, Shadow. I see a shadow above you.
Yeah, yeah.
There's two.
Two.
There's three. Other one's right there.
Oh. There has to be another one somewhere.
Holy fucking Christ. Oh my god, that chat's probably like, what the fuck is going on? Holy shit.
Fucking clutch or kick.
How many is that? I did, on my body.
Oh. Where was he? Dang. Good job. Good job. You did a really good job.
How many kills did you get?